shop inside your closet. Yes, I do think this is the motto for 2026 if you are looking at other YouTube videos. And in a sense, it's quite smart, and I do understand, because maybe for multiple reasons, you do not have money anymore to spend to buy bags, or you bored buying bags, or you just want to enjoy your bag collection because you have some bags and you want to enjoy them fully, but you don't know how to do to really enjoy them. There's a simple tip. Accessoire. Yes, you can just play with accessoire and you will see that your item, your bag, will completely change the design, the purpose, and it's really funny. So in this video, I'm sorry my friend, because I'm French and I am French, and of course I'm going to present you some accessoires at a very low cost. I don't know if they can be shipped abroad, but I'm pretty sure that my video in any way can help you to find some inspiration without spending a lot of money if you just want to have fun with your bag and yes, shop inside your closet, which I repeat, I do think it's the motto, the next trend. So let's go. Follow my channel, you know that I am collecting several bag brands. The most important is Longchamp. I'm sorry, I'm talking, I got a cold and my nose is completely full and I have difficulty to breathe. So that's why maybe my my English will not be so good and I'm making a little noise. I apologize. But anyway, let's go back to the video. As you can see behind me, yes, I play a lot with my bags. I always play some bag charms, some plushie. Have a look at my last video concerning my Longchamp unboxing, what I have bought in the Longchamp store in Saint-Tropez. I have bought this strap and a chain, yes, to play with my bags, because we don't need to always buy bags. If we have already an existing collection and maybe you think your bag is no more update, you can update them and yes, place accessoires and you will give a modern twist to your bag. So right now I'm going to show you, I repeat, I don't know if they ship abroad, but you know I collect Longchamp, but I also collect a bit Coach. I collect also a bunch another French brand, Lancaster, and I am also a fan of a Spanish brand called Biba. And today, the accessoires I'm going to show you are from this Spanish brand, which they are making, this video is not sponsored, but they are really making amazing bag, great leather, great design, and the price are very competitive. And a few times before, I have seen that they have realized accessoires for bags, and I fell in love. I fell in love because they were beautiful. I know they are well made because they use the same type of leather for the accessoire and their bags. The price are crazy, €10. Yes, my friend, you hear me well, each accessoire costs €10. So really a small price, because look at Amazon, look everywhere. The simple, you know, this is a trend, and they at minimum cost €20. So I'm going to put pics and I will reveal you the one I have chosen, because when I fell in love, so I have ordered 3 of them, shown you some accessoires from Longchamp, but they got a price. Longchamp is expensive, let's be honest, but I want to show you that we can also have beautiful things with great material at very minimal cost. So without further ado, let me show you what I have bought. They were sent super fastly, and look, and I was surprised. Each of them was in a dust bag. Look, funny, really funny. So let's have a look at the very first one, and you will see I took this little pouch. This is coed leather, and look at the size. I will write all information, and you've got, and this is really brilliant from Biba. So here is the code. Where is the code? You have this kind of D-ring, you know, to open and close. So let's take off all the all this to show you better. So you have a D-ring, and of course you can attach it to your bag. But if you just want to use it as a tiny pouch, because there's a space and you can put lipstick, you can put AirPod, yes, you can put some medication and so on. I have a lot of ideas how to use it. And you can turn it as a simple pouch because you can detach it. And this is brilliant from Biba. And I think it's gorgeous. I took the green, the acid green, but there is available in several colors. And I can tell you the leather is insane. So this is the very first one. It costs 10 euro. 10 euro. I was surprised. Honestly, I was surprised by the price. So here's the first one. And of course, this item, you are going to see it on my bags and so on. Then let's move on to the second one. Okay, and the second one. It's also all made in leather, and look at this ball. I love it, so cute. And you've got the little B for Biba. Once again, you've got this kind of D-ring clutch. So here is the tag. So, and you attach it to your bag. So, if you don't like big keychain, big something, just put it like this. Also, you can put it with your keys. It's okay, but I know I'm going to use it with my bag. And oh, I love it. And this time I took it was yellow or lime. I will write every information, no worry. So, yes, and it's all in leather. I'm sorry, I'm really talking with my nose and off. And the last one, let's have a look. And the last one is this one. Look how chic it is. Of course, so you've got again this massive etiquette with all information. But here it is. So you have the D-ring and look at the work. The work, it's a piece of leather. Again, you've got the B for Biba and it's lovely. I know it will be perfect on some bags and yes, seriously. And it's good. The hardware is really good looking. It's gold, but you know, kind of brushed gold. Very cute. It can fit any other hardware, silver and so on. It would be great. I really like it. Of course, I have also another selection. If you love Lancaster, they have realized some AirPod little case, but you can transform them and use them as back charm. I will increment some pics. They are all also made in leather. They are a little bit more expensive than Biba, but Lancaster is also a very good brand. The leather is high quality. Lancaster also provide a chain strap like this one. Honestly, I will insert pic and they cost nothing. They cost nothing and they are really well made. I'm really tempted to add another one to my collection because I am using so much my Longchamp one, but let's be honest, I don't want to spend another 100 euro. I'm really satisfied with this one, but if I want to add something more, I do think I will go to a cheaper item. But just to tell you, that's possible. We can still find great accessoires and we can play with our existing bag. I will put pics at the end of the video to show them how I use them. And yes, just have fun without spending a crazy amount of money. I know I'm making a bunch of review with some kind of expensive item from Longchamp, I know. But don't get me wrong, I am also looking always at great bargain. My friend, tell me in the comment below if you have found by your side some nice accessoires that you love, that you use, and they are cheap and but great quality though. So let's open the discussion concerning accessoires. Which accessoire do you love? Do you love some back charm, plushie, or you like like me, you like to use your ribbons and make some bow on your bag, yes, let's open the discussion concerning accessoires. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks to all my subbies who follow my channel. I love you, my friend. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but you love my content, please subscribe. It really helps me. Till the next video, take care. I love you and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.